When you work with standard style locks, pin tumbler locks, and you need to pick them, well, what do you need? You need picks. Hey, could you hand me my picks, please? Thank you. So these are your standard traditional picks, but I was actually talking about my leashy picks. Can I have those, please? Thank you. Do you see the problem here? You need all of this just to be able to walk up to a door to pick a lock to make sure you have what you need. Until now. Up until now, the pick cases really haven't kept up with the modern times. And we've been walking around with all sorts of different picks, trying to keep track of everything, trying to keep everything organized. And well, now there's a better way. I would like to introduce you to the Lock Pick Lodge, where there's room for all your picks. So not only is this Lock Pick Lodge have a nice hard case to protect your investment, it also has a nice handle here to carry, has a nice little loop on that you can put on a carabiner if you like, and has a nice zipper to make sure that everything inside is secure. Let's take a closer look. So as you can see here on these two flaps is you have a ton of room for your standard traditional style lock picks. You can fit tension wrenches, you can fit lock picks, and as you can tell, you can fit about as many as you want inside of here. Now, when you open up these two flaps here, this is where you can keep your leashy picks. Now, as you can see, I have two on one side, one on the other, but you can definitely, if you need to, slide these over a bit and add a third if you like. Now, as you can see right here, I actually have a plug spinner. So there's enough room to also keep your plugs, which in my opinion is so important. I've never understood why there's not room in lock pick cases for plug spinners. Now, so you can use a more compact one like this. Now, there's also plenty of room for a larger plug spinner like this right-hand one. You can easily just set it up, put it right there in the corner, and you're gonna be able to close it without a problem. So as you can see, there is plenty of room for all of your lock picks at the Lock Pick Lodge. Now, when it comes to holding the leashy picks, there's actually these magnetic bars right here. So it really helps hold your leashies down when you're traveling. All right, so there you have it. How cool is that? You know, my favorite part about the Lock Pick Lodge is the idea actually came from the Lockboss community when they started asking for Lockboss style pick cases. And it just dawned on us as a team, hey, let's make one pick case that you can put everything in to work on your standard pin tumbler locks. How cool is that? Now, if you'd like to take a closer look or buy one, I'll put a link in the notes below where you can check it out. But even more than that, I would love to know what you think of the Lock Pick Lodge in the comments below. And make sure that you include the hashtag Lockboss and automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away each week here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.